Lots of questions, but let's start off with a really sort of straightforward one. Irish business. What is the view in Ireland? What is the view in the business community? What is the view inside Ryanair about how the situation changed, if at all, last week?
It's changed, and it's changed quite quickly. I think in the course of a week we've gone from it being a hard Brexit, focusing on immigration, to what now the narrative being this is going to be a softer Brexit with a focus more about the economy. That's a good thing. A soft Brexit, people in Ireland, people in business would support. I think it's clear that the people in the UK, nearly a year after the referendum, now clearly prefer a soft Brexit than a hard Brexit. That's clearly the result of this outcome. I think probably if you reran the referendum today, you may even get a Remain vote. But I think people are thinking twice. People are thinking, I want to protect the economy, I want to protect jobs. Business is saying to all UK politicians, you've kind of ignored us for the past 18 months. You should listen to business and put the economy and jobs at the centre of a softer Brexit rather than a hard Brexit, which was about immigration.
Is the business community, is there a view on the DUP? Is that in the rearview mirror? Is the DUP seen as being an issue, something that could present a problem further down the road, or do you think Ireland is comfortable with the arrangement? I
think if you have an unstable government, and if this is a weak coalition of sorts, that's never a good thing. So I think everyone will say, look, you want certainty, you want strong government. From an Irish point of view, from an Irish business point of view, look, the DUP want a soft border in Northern Ireland. That's a good thing. The DUP are also in favour of a softer version of Brexit. So I would welcome those two things. And I would say everyone in Ireland, whether it be the DUP or Sinn Féin, two parties that were considered quite hardline. Yep. I think now time has moved on, and what we want is certainty. We just want stable government here and a version of softer Brexit. Now, softer Brexit from an airline point of view doesn't guarantee the continuation of Open Skies, because Open Skies is governed by the European Court of Justice, and that still remains the biggest issue that we're calling on the new government to say, please give us a solution to Open Skies. We want to continue to grow here. We want to continue to do business and operate the way we operate today, but you need to give us a new version of a bilateral. Absolutely start the talks next Monday and put connectivity between the UK and Europe at the top of that agenda so we get a solution to Open Skies, ideally this side of Christmas or early in the new year, so that we don't have to continue to reduce our plans in the UK.